some kind of a town here. Skinny roads.
Destination.
Take a look at this. This is making me a little queasy. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised they let people even do this. Now what? This is really life endangering. It does something to your brain. Oh, you're coming home with me. It's a partially nude beach here, so get comfortable. So much for you, Tom Brady, being the GOAT. The GOAT. Let's make our way over here. People watch these people jumping. Oh, this guy's about to get it. All right, here we go. I give him a 9.1 on that. All right, guys, we are rolling. Don't worry, I'm at a red light. And Svetlana's not with us today, so you are my co-pilots.
In half a mile, turn right onto 9437.
Wow, pretty barren road here. Oh, hello, horsey.
In the quarter mile, turn left onto Kazanzaki. Onto Kazanzaki. Then turn right to merge onto Northern Crete Highway.
Alright guys, we are in some kind of a town here on our way. You know that ain't Mount Trashmore on Sample Road. Okay, so now we're going on this winding road up into the mountains. Exhibit A over there.
Turn right.
Look at this, guys. In Florida, you are so flat. But ancient Crete, flat you are not. Oh, good gracious. Oh my goodness. Skinny roads. And quite windy.
Turn left.
I think that's it right there, guys. Goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, hairpin turn. can say, guys, if you thought the top of the Empire State Building was something,
You will need to walk to your destination.
take a look at this. Alright guys, this is something you're not going to see every day, so let's go see it this day. And of course we have a warm greeting from some new friends. Hello, how are you? Want to say hello? Can I pet you? No? What's your name? Goat 1 and Goat 2. Hello. Hey, don't be shy. Now, I would normally put the camera down and do a walk-away shot, but I think these guys might eat my camera. Stay away from my rent-a-car. I got a big deductible. All right, which way down? So the first thing I will tell you guys is my ears pop. We're kind of up here, as you will see in a moment. How was it?
Very
Good?
nice.
All right. Guys, you know what? I don't ordinarily have a fear of heights, but this is making me a little queasy. Oh my goodness. And that is where we shall go. If we can make it down this mountain. It's a little bit of a hike. You guys up for it? Let's roll. Careful there, buddy. Watch that first step, it's a doozy. Oh, you get the little bell on you and everything. You're right out of Central Casting. Yeah, these goats are so brave, I'll tell you right now. I'm thinking this fence they got here isn't high enough for my liking. So apparently it's pretty precarious here walking down this, and that's why I put the sneakers on. And oh my goodness, I can see what they mean. How was it? Easy? No?
Going down was harder.
Going down was harder.
Yes, but going up was like tougher on your lungs and everything.
Would you guys do it again?
Yes.
Really? What about an old guy like me, an old geezer like me? Can I do it?
You look fit enough.
No problem?
You look fit enough.
Okay, if I pass out, you guys come and carry me down?
Sure.
A little piggyback? Where are you guys all from?
Holland.
Holland! All right, baby, the Netherlands. I love it. I'm going to see you guys over there.
All right.
All right, thank you so much. Take care. You too. Guys, I'm going to have to be very careful with this camera here because priority one is getting every step right? Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you? I'm going to let you go past me, so in case I fall, I'll land on your back. All right, sound good? Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy? Ah,
You?
I'm going there next. I'm from Miami, USA.
Oh, wow. I heard of.
All right, buddy. I'll see you over there. Man, guys, I don't know about this. I'm being honest with you. You know me. I will tempt just about anything, but this is... I'm surprised they let people even do this. And I'd do anything for you guys. You know that by now. Anybody got a long ladder? You need a pair of those shoes with the spikes in them. Or ride down a mountain goat. Now what? Holy shit, guys. Are you going the right way? So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to turn this camera off. Okay, I'll give you one last view from here, and then it's all concentrating on this, because this is really life endangering. Gonna eat a few beers after this one. I should have named this Mount Barefoot. I was premature in my naming. It does something to your brain. I'm in between these two mountain cliffs here, and it's still the openness of it, and seeing that mountain over there on the other side, it does something to the senses, guys. I can't explain it, but it's pretty interesting. I'll let you guys go.
How are you, mate?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
I'm living the dream.
Where are you guys from?
Sydney.
Sydney, Australia.
That's it.
I love it. In the house. Great people over there.
Down under.
I love it. I love it.
You?
Yeah, USA, baby.
Whereabouts?
Yeah, Miami, Florida.
Miami.
Beautiful.
I see many of your folks over there.
Nice.
We got that weather in common and the palm
Yeah,
trees,
yeah.
right?
Exactly.
There you go. All right, I'm going to enjoy a nice Vegemite sandwich for lunch. Thanks. You too, guys. Hey there.
Thank you.
Where are you guys from?
Italy.
Ah, more Italians. I love it. You guys know. Where's the pasta? Let's go. Break it out. He's got it in the bag. All right. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. Whoa. I usually say watch that first step. It's a doozy. Now it's watch every step. It's a doozy.
Like this, if I fall, you will have what?
That's right.
Your
I'll have a nice pillow if you fall. All right. Nobody's going to fall. We can make it. We're going to do this.
You can do it.
And it's like, you would think that they would have like something, you know, a railing to hold on to. Guys, it's a string, okay? In some rebar. That won't get it done. I'm sorry. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. It's just like the drive up the mountain. Two-way traffic here, guys. Good. This one? I'm liking that one. Okay. Sorry, guys. Thank you for your patience. Yeah, there's not much room here. All right. Oh, I wish they were all like that one. Okay, lost sight of the beach, but it looks like we're getting close. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Were you waiting for me?
Oh, yes.
We have to
Come
do.
back with you.
There you go. Where are you guys from? Italy?
Italy.
Oh, more Italian. A lot of Italians here.
Yes.
I love it.
You?
I'm from Florida, USA.
USA.
Yeah, baby.
Nice.
We love Italian food over there.
You
We love our
also-
pasta.
You also will go to Italy this summer?
I want to go too.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to go to Sicily. Right?
Sicily or Sardinia?
Sardinia.
Are better than Crete.
Is that where you guys are from?
Milano.
Oh, Milano. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. All right, guys, maybe it's getting easier. I was told it would take anywhere from 20 minutes to a half hour to get down here. So hopefully the hard part's out of the way, but I don't want to count my goats before they're hatched. Stones are flatter, but they're also more slippery. All right. Is this the best way, sir? The way you came?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
I mean, yeah, now it's
Whoa!
now it's all easy for you.
It's easy?
You've done the hard part.
I like easy, baby. And I love the accent.
You got it. Yeah.
There you go, brother. Thank you, thank you. So guys, in the interest of time and safety, I didn't film exactly everything that I did here, but I think you got the idea. So, so which way? Through here? No, don't move. It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
No, don't be sorry. I can go this way.
Yeah.
Relax, enjoy. It's a good.
I didn't want to go.
It's, oh, look at that. That'll save me some. You need your energy here. No worries. Your secret is good with me. Guys, looks like we have arrived. I present to you Seitan Limania Beach, Crete, Greece. Guys, look at the goat standing there on his little precipice. He's got a great view of all the action. It's kind of biblical here, guys. You know what I mean by that? Sure, look.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Oh, you're coming home with me. You're coming home with me. Oh, guys.
I think she's a baby.
Yeah, she's a baby. She's a beautiful baby. You're a beautiful baby. I don't think they bite, right? They don't bite.
Bite? No,
I don't think so.
They can hit with the...
I'm gonna try to take a selfie. Okay, guys, what I'm realizing here is also it's a partially nude beach here, so I need to be respectful of that with the camera. So I'm gonna turn it off now, and then when I get to the water, I'll turn it back on. Sorry, guys.
You're gonna get a goat.
Yeah. They should call this Goat Beach, man. They're everywhere. I love it. Get comfortable. So much for you, Tom Brady, being the goat. The goats are here on this incredible, lovely, beautiful, heavenly beach. And they like Fanta. Who knew? All right, I'm gonna try to get a spot here. There's not too many of them, as one would expect. But we'll figure something out. I'm gonna get in that water, guys. All right, guys, this is what we're here to do. I forgot that was behind me for a second. Let's get in that water if we can. I heard it's a little chilly, but I don't care if it's the Arctic Circle. I got to get in there. Exactly that. It's a little chilly. But it's so beautiful, guys. Look at the colors of this water. It looks like aqua velva or tiny bowl. I mean, the colors here are just. It could be the mountains causing that. pretty shallow waters here, so, and completely blue skies overhead. The shallower the water, the lighter the sand, the bluer the sky, the more you'll get of this blue-green color. That is just spectacular. Right?
Yeah.
She agrees, she agrees.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
Montreal, Canada.
Oh, we got a North American here, ladies and gentlemen.
Where are you from?
I'm from Miami, Florida.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so this water's feeling a little cold to me right now.
Oh, really?
For you, it's nothing, right?
No, it's not
This
that
is like a
bad.
hot tub for you.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Yesterday we went to a gorge, the Portoliatigo or something, gorge,
Okay.
and it was freezing there. So here
Really?
it's not that bad. Yeah, that's why coming in here is not that bad. I could like jump in.
Yeah. What did you think of the walk down?
It was scary.
Yeah.
It was scary, but it was not. I don't know if you've ever been to a Grimney Beach in La Plata.
No.
That's really scary because all the stairs are like
Right.
you could see right through them, and
So
I didn't-
just that visualization of that. A lot of it you're not
I
seeing.
was just watching my boyfriend's feet as he was coming down. He went first.
Yeah.
But if I was going first, I would be shaking.
Wow. Is this your first time here?
Yes.
To Crete?
Crete, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's beautiful.
It
I
is.
love it.
Yeah. It's so nice to meet you. Lauren, right? Lauren?
Yeah, Lauren.
It's so nice to meet you, Lauren. And stay in touch through the YouTube, okay?
100%.
All right,
I will.
and get back up safely.
You too.
Thank you. All right, guys, we're making friends wherever we go. And it just figures that everybody is in a good mood here. I mean, how can you not be? Look at this. Let's, I gotta keep an eye on the stuff because apparently it's not like you gotta worry so much about, I mean, you always have to be concerned about the safety of your stuff, but the goats apparently will, if you walk away from it, they'll go sifting through it to look for food. So I gotta keep an eye on that. But let's make our way over here and get a closer look of these folks that are climbing up here to jump off. Now, we have seen the man-made or people-made slides from beaches that are sort of like the rock slides. You know, the Fontainebleau used to have one years ago. And but this, guys, this is the real deal. This is nature. You know, I had the water shoes that I went and I bought at Dick's Sporting Goods, and I didn't bring them. You know, I'm roughing it. I am barefoot, by the way. Living up to the name a little bit, but people watch these people jumping. Oh, this guy's about to get it, and he's telling them to hold up. Here we go. He's thinking it over, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here he goes! I give him a 9.1 on that. All right, here he goes! Good job! Guys, if you're thinking I'm gonna try it, think again. We are spectators, ladies and gentlemen, and there's no shame in that. Good job, buddy. I like it, I like it.
Have you been yet?
No, I'm just gonna watch you. Now, the difference between Seitan Limania, which is where I am now, and Elafanisi is, you can walk for miles and not get past your kneecaps. Here, I walk 10 feet and I'm almost over my head. Come on, just close your eyes and do it. And by the way, once you're in this water, it's divine. It is refreshing. It's not cold at all. It feels great. We have a jumper. There he goes! Doesn't anybody dive anymore? There he goes! Guys, the biggest challenge about making this video is going to be which thumbnail to use. That is a good problem to have. Yeah! Yeah, that's me. Barefoot vlogger. Just remember, of course you don't have your, oh, sorry. Nice meeting you.
3, 2, 1.
Charlotte, stop thinking.
There she goes! Oh! We all felt that, ladies and gentlemen. Did you get up? Okay. Add that to the sunburn. People falling out of the skies here in Crete. So by the way, that's where we walked down from, guys. Hopefully you can see it here on the GoPro, which doesn't exactly have the longest lens. But if you can see those folks that are looking over the ledge there, that's a parking area, and we walked all the way down there. Yet another conquest, ladies and gentlemen. Oh wait, we still have to get back to the car. Guys, swim out here a little bit for a different perspective. One, go! You got it! Don't worry, we'll catch you.
I'm right here! Maybe a week here.
Off you go.
Hey, the hardest part was getting up there. You did that.
One. Okay. No more counting.
Come on.
No more counting. 3 hours later.
Oh, baby, you can do it.
No one's died.
Trust me, it's a lot easier to jump than to walk back down.
Yeah.
Right? All right. Well, I don't think that's happening. What's that? Air Force jets? Yeah. I don't see them though. All I see are birds and goats. Well, she didn't go, but the other girl went, and it wasn't pretty. We'll just say that. By the way, for those of you at home that are interested, as soon as I turned the camera off, she jumped. Hello. No, get off of my towel. Who said you were to go? The goats sure are friendly around here. Yeah. A little too friendly. Shoo, goat, shoo. How do you get rid of a goat? Anybody got any goat repellent? No, there's nothing in there for you. It's all for me. How'd you know I had a beer in there? Get out of here. Get out of here before I make a souvlaki out of you. I had your cousin for dinner last night. Don't hold it against me. He was delicious. Hello. No, those don't taste good, trust me. They feel good though, going up that mountain. That has nothing to do with goats. Not yet anyway. Cheers. Yamas. Onward and upward. Like my beer. It's goated food. You know what's right next to me? That. And it ain't milk duds. They left me a nice present. Right at the base of my blanket. Is he trying to tell me something? Good job, baby. I love it. Where's he going with those boulders? Is that money? If it is, he's rich. Just imagine how much they would charge you for a picture like that in Disney World. It'd be $100, and it wouldn't be half as good.
one of the drawbacks of this beach that I can live with. Mooching goats. And thirsty ones.
That goat thinks he's a monkey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my girlfriend has arrived. She's not interested. You want the banana. She got a friend for life. Oh, even the peel. Wow. Nothing goes to waste here at Seitan Limania. Yes, I have no bananas. Well, guys, that's about gonna do it from here. I hope you enjoyed this epic adventure here on the island of Crete at Seitan Limania Beach on this beautiful, clear, and sunny day. From this awesome gorge within which I am swimming, this is the Barefoot Vlogger saying, stay tuned and seek out your adventures. They're out there waiting, guys. Don't look at me like that. You still love me? That's a yes. Onward and upward.
Don't poop on me again. Once was enough. I got enough good luck.
You still here?